I'm so tired. We are getting some actual winter weather and it's so cold. So I thought I'd bring you guys along to do some chores with me. So I'm going to gather eggs, make sure everybody's fed, and then I'm just going to top everybody off with some dry straw. Well, hello, chickie. So we've been getting probably close to 35 to 40 eggs a day. But I love these like pink ones. So pretty. And the speckled. Hey, Missy, you are on the wrong side of the fence. We got some eggs. Hi, ducky ducks. Oh my gosh, the wind. Oh, and it's starting to rain again. I like to bury them to keep them safe. Chickens need a bag of feed. Oh, and you know what's really cool? Our window is currently broken. So it's getting real cold in our house. Oh yeah. Do I look super cool? Let's go get it out to the chickens. I just dropped my phone in the mud. Now I gotta go catch that stinking chicken that's out. Okay. You're okay? I got her. She is not happy. Oh, no! I almost lost her. There we go. Good job, Carmel. Now we want to make sure everybody stays as dry as possible. So let's go get some straw. Okay. The chickens have straw. I just got the straw bale in the duck coop. I'm itchy. You gotta make sure it's precise. This is how I do it. Wilbur is very excited to get some straw. Oh, is that so nice? Oh, Wilbur. They're all gonna be dry and warm. I don't know that I will be warm because our power's out. And we have holes in our window. We did it. I'm gonna go change my clothes and sit in the dark. Yeah.